Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now.
Sevaiyan Kheer, also known as Vermicelli Kheer, is one of the most loved traditional desserts. Creamy, nutty, and flavored with saffron and cardamom, it's a dish that brings both festive joy and everyday comfort. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Sevaiyan or Vermicelli Kheer. This classic dessert combines roasted vermicelli, full cream milk, sugar, ghee, saffron, cardamom and dry fruits to create a rich and flavorful sweet that's quick, easy and always satisfying. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Sevaiyan or Vermicelli Kheer. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. First, take a packet of pre-roasted Sevaiyan or vermicelli and break the strands into smaller size to loosely fill 1 cup. Do not pack or overfill the cup. We need slightly less than 1 cup for this recipe. Adding more vermicelli will make the kheer thick and dry. The kheer should be of flowing consistency. 1 liter or 4 cups of full cream milk, quarter cup of sugar, half teaspoon of cardamom or elaichi powder, few strands of saffron or kesar. This is optional but adds flavor and a slight color to the dish. 15 cashew nuts cut into half and then sliced. Take 15 almonds or badams and cut them into slices or pieces. 15 pistachios or pista peeled and sliced thinly or chopped. 3 tablespoons of raisins or kishmish. These should be kept whole, do not cut them. 1 pinch of salt. 2 tablespoons of ghee. Step 2. Roasting the dry fruits. Place a wide open heavy bottom pan on low heat and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now add the cashew nuts, badams or almonds and the pistas. Lightly roast them until they change color slightly. Stir continuously to prevent it from burning. Then add the raisins and stir lightly until they begin to puff up. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Remove all the roasted dry fruits and keep them aside. Step 3. Preparing the Sevaiyan or Vermicelli Kheer. In the same pan with the leftover ghee, add the roasted vermicelli and gently roast for 3 to 4 minutes on low heat until they turn golden brown and aromatic. Be careful not to burn them. This step is very crucial as it brings a nice flavor and texture to this dish.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Once roasted, pour in the full cream milk. Turn the heat to medium-low. Stir frequently so the vermicelli doesn't stick. After 2 minutes, add the saffron so that it releases its color and aroma into the milk. Continue simmering until the vermicelli softens. This will take around 8 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent the vermicelli from sticking to each other or sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan. After 8 minutes, check to see if the vermicelli is cooked. Once cooked, add a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Then add the sugar. Keep aside some roasted dry fruits and raisins to use later for garnishing. Now add the roasted dry fruits and raisins, keeping aside the ones for garnishing. Mix everything nicely until the sugar dissolves completely. Finally, sprinkle half teaspoon of cardamom powder and stir everything properly. Taste and add sugar if needed as per your taste preference. Now cook it for 2 minutes and let the flavors blend. Our super delicious Seviyan or Vermicelli Kheer is ready. Trust me, you don't need to add condensed milk to this recipe to make it taste good. Creamy, aromatic and packed with goodness of saffron, cardamom, ghee and crunchy nuts. It's the perfect blend of tradition and comfort. Seviyan or Vermicelli Kheer tastes great when refrigerated for a few hours. You can also eat it hot if you prefer. Do share this amazing recipe with your friends and family members and enjoy it together. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.